CMF, the sub-brand of Nothing, has launched a whole new ecosystem of tech products which includes the Buds 2 Pro, the Watch 2 Pro and a new phone called the Phone 1. The Buds 2 Pro features a square-shaped charging case along with a rotating dial that can be used to adjust the volume, control the music playback and also to answer or decline calls. These buds offer up to 43 hours of playback and you also get 7 hours of playback with just a 10-minute charge. These buds are available in 4 different colors and I have to say all these colors just look amazing. Moving on to the Watch 2 Pro, it now comes with a round face when compared to the previous Watch Pro. And with the Watch 2 Pro, you can completely customize your watch by changing the straps and even the bezels on the watch to a different one to suit your style. You also get 100 plus customizable watch faces and some cool gestures on your watch with which you can control music or even answer calls. Now let's talk about the CMF Phone 1. So the phone has a unique and distinctive design and just like the Nothing phones, there is some cool stuff happening on the back of the phone. So the back of the phone can be removed easily by the user just by unscrewing these screws and can be replaced with a different back panel which you can buy from the manufacturer itself, which no other phone on the market can do. And if you unscrew the circular piece, then you can fit a bunch of different accessories like this kickstand which can be used to prop up your phone, or a lanyard, or even a MagSafe style wallet which can be used to hold your cards. The phone also comes with some amazing specs as it features a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a dual camera setup on the back consisting of a 50MP main camera and a portrait sensor. CMF has given the Phone 1 a 16MP front camera for taking some amazing selfies. The phone is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chip and also has 8GB of RAM. The phone also offers 128GB of storage which can be expanded up to 2TB, which again is something that a lot of new phones lack. The Phone 1 will be available in black, blue, light green and orange colors, and the phone will cost $200 in the US, which makes it a great and interesting phone for the price. So that is the CMF product launch in a nutshell, and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.